Hello and welcome back, my little buddies. How is it going, guys? Wonderful. Oh, yes, even I am very much excited for today's session. Any guesses what we will be going to make today? Yes, we are. It's an art class. Very good. It's a craft class. Yes. So what we will be making today? Yes, using craft. Think about it. Something that all of you like, something that I too much like it. Yes, something we can't have in winters and something we can have so many times during summers. Something that get melts when it's too much hot. Oh yes! So we will be making ice creams today. Yes, so following two techniques. Using two techniques, we will be making what? Yes, something of your favorite. Yes, we will be making ice creams today. One, popsicle ice cream or popsicle candy we call it, right? Another one, an ice cream cone. Yes, guys, so we will be making sorry. So guys, yes, we will be making ice creams today. Two different ice creams using two different techniques. One is cutting, another one is through folding. So let me take you to my workstation so that I can take you through all the requirements, guys. So everyone ready? Here, have a look at the workstation. This is how we will be making a very cutie pie ice cream cone today. You can see that? Yes, that's what we will be making today. I'll teach you, I'll guide you on how to make it. And then you can see the popsicles here. So we will be making a popsicle candy using these popsicle sticks. Yes, popsicle ice cream we will be making. Yes, so these are the ice cream sticks. We also call them popsicle sticks. Okay. So this is one of the requirement, guys. Scissor for cutting process. Sketch pens. You can use pencil colors also for this. Sketch pens we will be using. Pencil and eraser. Then, yes, Fevicol or any glue and the colored papers. As you can see, different colored papers. So whichever color candy you want to create or whichever colored paper are available with you, so you can create accordingly. So I have these few colors available with me. Okay, I have white also. I will tell you why I have used it. And then one scale. Okay, so scale we will be using to draw the lines on the ice cream cone. Yes, to draw the patterns. So let's begin with the cutting. Yes, let's begin with the making of the popsicle candy, popsicle ice cream. Okay, guys. So quickly keep everything aside and be ready with the materials. Keep everything aside. For both of the activities, we would need square papers. So you must be thinking how we can get the square papers. So there's a trick to it. Let me tell you what that trick is. Take one paper, keep others aside. You can see there are rectangular papers. So whichever papers are available with you, generally most of them are the rectangular papers, right? Yes, the papers which are rectangular in shape. So what we can do is, we can cut them in squares. We can make squares from them. How? Let's quickly take one paper. Okay. Fold it into half. Very good. Everyone. Yes. Take one corner. From the corner, pick it up and fold it into half in a way that it makes a triangle shape. And as I have suggested to you, to take off the extra portions from it. Now quickly take off the extra portions from it. Okay. Now when you will open this sheet, what you will get? A shape of a square. So now the sheet has turned into a shape of a square. But I won't be using this one. I have already cut short my square sheets with me. I already have these color sheets with me. I'll be making my ice cream using these sheets. Okay. So for this one, for making a popsicle, I am using a blue one. These days, blue has become my favorite. So I'll be using this blue sheet, and as you can see, it is blue in color. So this way you can make you can take a square sheet. Okay. Now what we have to do? Just quickly fold it into half. Fold it, make one corner. As you can see, I have pasted white sheet on this to make it look attractive. I will tell you, we would need this white thing in another activity. Okay? While making, as you can see, it's a combination of both blue and white. So that's the part of a sheet that I am using right now. So now quickly, okay, right now what we are making, guys? A popsicle. So quickly make this square, fold into half. Okay. Grease it with your fingers. Very good. Yes, that's way. Super. Now again give it a fold. And make it fold in a way that it will be, or it shall be, equal. Fold it in a way that it becomes equal. Okay. Now what we have to do next? Oh, good. Quickly draw a circular dome on this, like this, as if it's a top of a dome. I am making it using a sketch pen, guys, so that it will be visible to all of you. Since the page is darker, you can draw it using sketch pens. Okay. As you can see, this is how you can design this shape of a dome. Now, quickly give it a cut. Just by quickly pick up the scissor and give it the shape just by following the outlines. Give it this shape. And as and when you open it, this is what you will get. Cool? Yes, guys. Right? Or one thing we can do, yes, the top of the ice cream, the popsicle ice cream, guys. Okay? You can make it even a little shorter if you wish to. Okay? Now we have got two of it. What we are supposed to do? Quickly add some glue on one side. Very neatly. Yes. Okay. And put the stick in the middle part, at the bottom of it. Yes, at the bottom line. Now overlap it. Now quickly just overlap it. And what you get is a popsicle ice cream. So on this portion there is a one add-on. What we can add to this? Yes, press this properly. The popsicle candy. The blueberry one. Okay, now quickly take one orange sheet. So I have a little cutting or a leftover of orange sheet. With the help of a pencil, I will draw a cherry here. Yes, that's a cherry. On the top, I will pick up the scissor and cut it. Very good. Be very cautious, everyone. Cut this. If you want to do it with yellow or red color, you can make it with red color also. But I am adding, because both of these colors make a really good combination, so I am adding this orange color cherry here. Okay. Yes. Very good. Let me complete this part. Oh yes. This will be a cherry on the top. And I will be giving it one top. So I will be using this green sheet, a little green sheet, and from the corner, on the corner, I will make a little handle like this, a cherry top. Like this, as you can see. This. Okay. Now let's quickly cut it. Take this extra portion from the sheet and cut it off. Yes, guys, very good. Yes. Similarly, that way, very good. And just by following the outlines, very nicely done, everyone. Good job. And that's how it's a cherry on the top. So we will be adding this cherry on the top of our ice cream, the popsicle stick. Okay, the ice cream popsicle we call it. Yes. So add some glue onto the back side. Put the ice cream, put the cherry stick. Okay, and apply it like this. This will look like such a cute cherry on the top of your ice cream. We will add some more glue here. Why? Because we are going to paste this whole thing on our ice cream. Yes, guys. And that's how, very carefully, quickly add this onto your ice cream. And this popsicle ice cream candy is ready. You can also draw another cherry for the back side. Okay, let's quickly draw another circle so that you can put that on the back side, as you can see. Now cut it. Very good. Oh wow, yes, I can see many of you are making it using red paper, making the cherries using red color paper. Very good. And that's what the color of the cherry is. Very good. But since, just to add a twist, I have added it, or I have made it using, oh yeah, right, orange color. Very good. Glad to see that every one of you are familiar with the colors. So, brilliant job, everyone. Now raise your hands who all want to have ice cream right now. Just raise your hands. Trim off the extra portions. You can decorate it using any colorful strips, paper strips, or whichever way you want to add it. You can make it that way also. Now, keep it aside. It's time to make this blue cone, one with the ice cream serve. So let's get ready. Quickly take the square sheet, take out or cut out a square sheet from a paper. Quickly take that out. I have already this one with me, as you can see. Yes, I have this one with me. Okay, take a sheet, everyone. Very good. Yes, you know the technique now. So one more thing you can do is, the reason why I have added or I have pasted the white sheet behind one sheet is, you can also, like this, you can also paste you can also paste a white sheet over a colored sheet to this way Yes, I'm just showing you the technique that how we can make it a two-colored sheet from front and back. A sheet of two different colors from front and from back. Very good, everyone. Yes, that's how you can do it. Very nicely done. Yes, with the help of your hands, take some portion of it. Trim this one, the extra which is not overlapping. Just cut off the extra parts. Now, pick one corner, as I have told you in the earlier session, earlier part also. Pick one corner, place it in a way that it touches the bottom and makes a triangle. Okay. Now, you can see the white area. You can see the white area apart from the green one. Quickly cut it. Yes. Very cautiously, parents, you can help your kids in this. Kids, you can do this under your parents' guidance. Very good. So, this is one. So, this side seems like equal. Now, it's time to cut off the other side, as that's also unequal. So, let's make it equal. Now, which shape we got? Everyone? Which shape we got here? That's the shape of a square, right? That's the shape of a square that we got here. So, now, just by eliminating all the extra portions, we get a shape of a square. That's a square shape now. Okay? Similarly, I made it using the same process. What we have to do next? Keep this aside. I'll be using this one. I've cut it more short so that my ice cream looks even more cuter. Yes. Now, fold it into half and make a triangle like this. Fold it into half as repeated and make a triangle like this. Okay? Yes, very good. That's how. Now, open it. Unfold it. Done. You can see a little line in between. You can see a line of partition. You can see that? That's a line which is dividing both the triangles into two parts. Now, from one corner, flip the sheet that it makes. Fold it, making a triangle and meeting the margin. Similarly, from the other side, fold it. How you have to fold it? That both the sides will meet the margin. Yes, this way. Yes, like this. So, this is the type of a cone you can get or you will get. You can see that? Visible, everyone? Yes. Now, yes, do it. Right. I can see you are doing it nicely. Very good. So, whichever cone color you want to keep or whichever cone color you want to have, just use the color paper of that color. Okay, you can use the color paper. Any favorite color, you can make a cone of your favorite color too. So, whichever color, whichever paper is available, even the white, you can use that. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's time to pick one corner, this portion, everyone, this top corner, and fold it in a way that this thing comes out. Yes, this flipping part, you can see a white combination of fluorescent green and white. That's the reason why I have pasted white sheet onto the fluorescent paper. I have shown you the example. This way you have to do it. It makes it look even more attractive. The white vanilla cream. Yes, that's what you will get very soon. Fold it from one side. Similarly, turn around and give a fold from Another side also. Yes, this way. So you can see both of them, both the sides are folded now. It will look like this. Everyone, can you see it? This way? Yes. Okay. Now flip it around. You can see these wings coming out. Everyone, these two wings, 1, 2. Two wings, 1, 2 or 1, 2. Okay. We have to paste them. Quickly take your glues out. Apply it on the ears or the wings, extra wings that are coming out. Apply onto it and very carefully paste them. Hold it up and paste them. Press it with using your hands. Properly press it using your thumb or your hands. Give it some pressure. Okay, similarly from other side, apply the glue. Is it? Just apply the glue and fold it like this. Yes, and again give it some pressure. Very good. Wow, I can see all of you doing it nicely. This is the shape you will get now. Everyone, can you see it? Yes, everyone, clear? And from this back side, this is how it looks. Okay? Yes, you are doing it right. Very good. Oh my God, so vibrant colors right there I can see. Oh, the color of such lovely toads. Very good. Now, pick it up, pick this part and fold it like this. Remaining this part, fold it till the bottom line. So you can also see a margin in between, which is dividing this whole thing into two. A part, a line. So till the line, just make this fold. One fold, paste it. Okay, to this one fold. Quickly apply the glue and paste it. Similarly to the other one, just apply the glue and yes, fold it like this. So from front, this is how it will look. The swirl is about to come, guys. Okay, yes, the swirl is about to come. So add some or apply some glue onto it. Take your glues out, paste it or apply over it. Very good. Similarly on another side, if it's not sticked properly, make it stick. And with your hands, what you have to do, give it some pressure. Yes, that's how. Very good. Okay, this is the shape. This is the type of shape we will get. Everyone, show me. Oh, yes, we are almost there. We are about to get these. Yes, these curves right here. You can see this is the swirl of an ice cream. The ice cream cone. Who all had McD ice cream? McD, Maxwell. Oh, that's lovely, no? And the swirl on the ice cream top. So, on the ice cream cone. So, that's what we will be getting in a while. Also, paste this portion. Paste them. Apply the glue onto them. Like this. You can see a gap in between. So, you can add glue there. And apply the glue on both the sides. And with your hands, what you have to do? Press it. Yes, give it some force. Very good. I am waiting for my ice cream to get ready. Everyone, are you all set? Are you all ready? Oh, yes. Now, hold your ice cream cones from this portion. Everyone, just hold your ice cream cone from this portion. Yes, that way. Fold it on the back side. Fold top of it. Try to make it equal. Yes, on the back side like this. A form of a diamond. Little bit looks like a diamond. As you can see, it will looks like a diamond. Then open it. Put your finger in between and leaving an equal gap. Fold it in with your finger at back. Leaving the space, fold it in front. Fold this part in front now. Press it. Yes. Similarly, open it. Now you can see 2 layers. 1 layer, 2 layer. Let's give third layer. So for that third layer, so the first one was inside. Second one was outside. Third one was inside. Third one should be inside. And the fourth should be, yes, outside. So this is how you will get a swirl, a cone. The cone will get the swirls as you can see it. Okay. So there are these are the staircases or the layers of your ice cream swirl. Now let's add a little character to the ice cream. So for that, what we would need? Yes, we would need sketch pens. So quickly bring onto the table black sketch pen first. And I have added a winky eye here. You can see a winky eye. So I will be making this one a smiley face. So one circle, filling it with black color totally. Another circle, also filling that too with black color. Clear? A beautiful smile right there. Let's add a beautiful smile in between, giving it some edge, and take out. So this gloss, the cheeks, gloss on the cheeks. So you want to make it, if you want to make it with the pink color, you can use pink color. If you want to make it with the red color, you can use red color. So now take out your sketch pen or your pencil color, which is available with you. Make an oval, a sleeping oval shape. So yes, make a sleeping oval on both sides, and these are the cheeks of your ice cream cone, guys. It is, fill it in with the red color. So as you can see, to this one, okay, to this one I have given red glossy cheeks. Yes, the red glossy cheeks. And to the blue one, the winky eyes with the pink glossy cheeks. Okay, so this is how you can make it. Also, you can see the patterns. That's a zigzag, the shape of the cones, right? So either you can just draw a line, or you can make a structure like this. That is a net-like structure. So let's quickly make it. Everyone, take out your scale. I am directly making it with sketch pen, and I would suggest you to make it with, or to make it using, oh yes, to make it using pencil first and then outline with the sketch pens. Good job. Now let's make this outline, or let's make this zigzag shape using brown sketch. I'll be using brown sketch here. Okay. Yeah. So just keep on drawing slanting lines at a gap like this. Yes. Very good. Every one of you is doing a good job. I can see. Very neatly done. What a wow. Very nicely done. Okay, as you can see, I have drawn few slanting lines. Now, I will draw a few more slanting lines from another side. Yes, I have turned the ice cream cone around and now I am giving it a net-like structure, a zigzag net-like structure with light sketch pen, as you can see, using very light sketch pen. I am giving it a pattern. Yes, that's our beautiful net-like pattern. You can make this pattern a wavy one, so you can give some waves to it. If you want to add a cherry on the top, so you can make it as we have made it here. You can make it on this also. Okay, so this is how you can make an ice cream cone using the paper folding method. An ice cream cone made out of paper folding method and a popsicle ice cream using a popsicle ice cream using a cutting method. So you can also decorate the popsicle, as I feel that it is looking so simple. So let's quickly add some cherries to it. Cherries of red and green color. So I am putting few drops or few circles. I am drawing few circles of red cherries here. Okay. So the munching cherry and some dots some dots which shows the green cherry here. Okay, everyone. Yes, as you can see it. Let's quickly okay, let's add some more onto here. Also, you can add a margin here with any color you want to. A little margin line. Let's make it using purple color. Even purple color looks vibrant, and just fill in the color. You can see that? Yes, that's how you can decorate this popsicle also. And any more elements you want to add, you can add that also. So that's totally up to you how beautiful, how yummy, how delicious you want your ice cream popsicle or ice cream candy to be. So you just can add more elements to it. You can give more elements to it, and that's how you can decorate it. So this is how the popsicle candy will look by making it with a cutting process and by making it with a folding process. Okay, guys, I am feeling like let's give it an outline. So here I am giving my whole ice cream the outline. You can also do so, giving it an outline. You can decorate it with any elements you want to add to it. Okay, whichever elements you want to add, so you can add that, and that's how you can make the lovely ice cream popsicles. Okay, using this method, using this process, and I believe you guys had fun, and your mouth is totally filled with water. Yeah, because everyone is excited enough to have ice creams, but we can't have it because it's winter season and having ice creams in this season is quite risky. Let's beautify it a bit more. Yes, that's how you can make your popsicle candy more decorative, more appealing, and you can add more and more elements to it. Okay? The popsicle candy and the ice cream, cute little ice cream cones. That's about it, guys. I believe this is the easy one to make. Yes, just by folding by making few fold, and we can get this cute little ice cream cone. Similarly, just by cutting, just by cutting, and yes, give an edge to this one also. Yes, like this. Okay. And as you can see, guys, we have a very cute little, yes, ice cream craft here. One thing you can do is you can try making this one a complete whole ice cream. Like who all had lemon ice creams before? Who all had it? Had lemon ice creams before? Yes, so that's what I am making it. That's a add-on, a bonus craft. So what we will be doing is using a pencil, I will be quickly drawing one normal ice candy onto this. What I will be drawing onto this? A normal ice candy. Okay, as like this. So this will be the shape of it. I am making it using a pencil. What you can do is I have made it with a pencil though, but I am giving it an outline using a pencil, and so I would suggest you to do it in a way. Make a U, upside down U. That how the soft ice cream looks like. Okay, give it one line. We will be doing something creative with this one. Okay, quickly take your scissors out. What we have done is we have taken this whole sheet, a square sheet. Okay, another square sheet. We have drawn one ice cream candy, the basic ice cream popsicle on it. We have drawn it and folded. What we have done? We have taken one square sheet, folded into two, drawn this ice cream popsicle on one side of it. Now, and let it fold. Keep it fold. Okay. Now we have to cut it quickly. So give it a cut just by following the outlines, because the shape that we will be getting through this is the shape of the exact popsicle that we get in the market, which are easily available, right? Yes, the basic popsicles. So who all had lemon popsicle before? Mango. Whose favorite is mango? Who like mango popsicles here? Raise your hands. And what about orange? That's the favorite one. Whose favorite is that? Even I love it too. Now, from the bottom portion, cut this also, cut these parts. And what you get? You get two of the popsicles, right? Two of the popsicles. Quickly give them an outline using black sketch pen. Okay. Using black sketch pen, you can give it an outline. Let's quickly give it. Yes. Some is already there. Some of the outline is already there. Let's give some more. Very good. Flip your content around. Keep Yes, very good. Very nice. We can also add a very thin strip of the another color string here. You can measure it, keep it here and put a marking. This is how we can measure. Cut a very thin strip of a different color and you can paste this strip, cut two, because we have to paste it on front as well as on back of it. Okay, so cut two such strips of the same size. See, keep it one over the another. Yes, very good, nicely done. Make them equal. Make them equal as I said, and quickly paste them on both the sides. And also, yes, paste them on both the sides. Yes, here also just give it an outline. Very nicely done, everyone. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. You can add a margin to this side. Add a strip, orange strip, onto this. Either if you want to add it, you can add it, or if you want to add colors to it, so you can add that too. I don't feel like if you feel, and we have created it, we have made it. So let's quickly apply some glue. You can add colorful strips here, or you can add colors here. If you have made it, this whole thing with, yes, that's how it will look. The portions that are coming out, you can quickly trim them apart. Yes, and paste it like this. Similarly, on the other one, the basic ice cream popsicle, guys. That's what it is. The basic ice cream popsicle, everyone. Oh yes, looks like a perfect one. Cut this also from the edge. This is the extra portion. Cut the extra portion if you find it, and onto them, yes, from inside apply some glue. Okay, take one stick. We have two popsicle sticks available with us. I am using another one for this, so that's the reason why we have to keep two sticks with us. Let's keep two. Now place it onto the another one and make them stick to one another. The yummy popsicles, everyone. The yummy basic popsicles is ready. So two popsicles made through cutting process and two popsicles are made using folding process. These are not the popsicles, these are the cones. Yes, you got it right. Very, very well done, everyone. So I guess you had fun making the favorite thing of yours. Yes, who doesn't like ice creams here? No one, I believe. There is no such person who doesn't like ice creams. And so, It's everybody's favorite. I will have a combination. One, the lemon one. Another one. Oh wow, the blueberry one, the blueberry cone. I'm gonna enjoy it, guys. That's how you can make such a cute pair of both the ice creams and can have fun making it and can play it. You can create your own ice cream stalls. Yes, you making the ice cream crafts of different colors and by giving flavors to him. Okay, so what is the flavor of yellow color ice cream? Oh yes, very good. That's mango. What is the flavor of orange color ice cream? That's orange. What is the flavor of brown color ice cream? This brown color. Oh yes, that's chocolatey. Very good. And what about the ice cream having pinkish color? Something like this or like this. Wonderful. That's strawberry. Very good. So there are various flavors. Similarly, you can create your own artificial ice cream stall. Yes, and you can play doing that. Isn't that? So I believe you had too much fun while making one of your favorite thing, one thing that everyone likes to have during summers, and since it's winters, we can't have it, right? So make it, have fun with it, play around with your parents, offer them. So you can ask them, Mama, which flavor ice cream do you want? And then you can create ice creams of those flavors using those colors. Yes, from yellow you can make, yellow means mango, orange means orange flavor, pink, that is a strawberry flavor, brown, that is a chocolatey flavor. So you can create many more such ice creams. Yes, the purple one is a black currant. Yes, so the color tone which has this type of shade. Yeah, an ice cream having this type of shade, this shade is a blackcurrant flavor ice creams. Oh wow, so there are many more ice creams like these. Okay, so you can create it, you can have fun or play, you can play around with it and can enjoy. Okay guys, so I believe you truly will try this out. Yes, and get yourself clicked with these beautiful characters, with these beautiful craft ice creams. Post your content, get yourself clicked, post your content on the Yellow Class portal. You can share your work with us on Yellow Class FB page. You can share your work with us at Yellow Class Instagram page. And yes, we can have fun looking at it. Yes, we love to see that and we are excitedly waiting to see your valuable responses and your efforts. And we definitely want to get back to you on that. Okay, so keep sharing, keep loving, keep attending the sessions, keep learning, and also stay at home, stay safe, and keep washing your hands. Okay, very well done, everyone. Enjoy. I'll be having these two today. Yes, I will be having these two. All four of them. As you can see, making color combinations. Oh yes, that's how it will look like. An ice cream paradise. Okay guys, see ya. Take your care and goodbye for the day. Okay, see ya.